In front of me is DOOGEE V MAX, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize your device's keyboard. First of all, go into Settings and scroll all the way down to Access System. Then select Languages and Input, On-Screen Keyboard, and Gboard. Following that, just tap on Theme section, scroll down and choose Show More at the bottom right corners. This way you will see all available themes. When you're ready, click on the best one for you. Manage key borders thanks to this switcher. And save your new theme by tapping on Apply. So when I do that and go back, I can see that theme of my keyboard has changed. If you wish to customize it though, access exactly the same settings, but this time select this plus icon under My Themes. Now tap on the photo that you wish to apply. Pinch it to scale and drag it to move. Then click on Next. Adjust brightness by swiping left or right. Tap on Done. Manage key borders and hit Apply. So when I go back this time, as you can see, theme of my keyboard was successfully customized with an image. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!